Alright, you are welcome once again to our channel. Today we'll be looking at this AP question. So you can likely find this type of question in your JAMB. So we try to explain so that you can understand it perfectly and you'll be able to solve any type of question that you see like this. Now the question says if the n time of an AP is 3n minus 2, find the 20th term. So you are given this as your n time of the AP. And you are now asked to find the 20th time. Now you are given another equation for the n time of an AP. And this is the formula that you are given now for the n time of an AP. That's n time equals to your Tn was given as this. That's 3n minus 2. N here represents the number of terms that you are asked to find. But here you are now asked to find the 20th time. You know that this is your distance. Your T20, your n represents the number of times you are asked to find. T20 equals to anywhere you see your n, you put 20 there. That's 3 into bracket 20 minus 2. And then your T20 equals to what? T20 equals to 3 times 20, that was 60. Minus 2. Your T20 equals to 58. This is our final answer. You see, this question is very simple. But if you don't know it, you think maybe it's very hard. But if you know it, you know that it's a very simple question. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share. You can share it with your friend and also try to subscribe to our channel where we share information. We make video that can help you in your exam. Also, we share information based on everything that you might need or you have to know for you to pass your exam. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day.